Hey fellow YouTubers, this is the part 2 of the industrial frame build out for a mini desk. So the sprocket that was on the motor, its gear ratio is not the same as the larger sprocket's gear ratio, therefore the bicycle chain wouldn't fit. So I went to a local store and asked them if they had any spare unused sprockets that I could buy. So I got 2 of these for $5, and one I welded to my motor, and I think that should work, and the other I'll probably use for something else, but overall the part 2 is coming along. And before I get into some electrical here, okay, so here's a quick loose fit of this chain on the sprocket. I'll probably go 1 notch closer over here and to see if that's gonna help it. I don't want to over tighten, over loosen it either, so I guess I'll have to play it and see how things work. Alright, I'll get this fixed and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the fully assembled sprocket and chain. I resized this with a tool, of course, and then I have a few spare chains here. But I couldn't have done this without the tool, so that was very helpful. I want to do this. I have the let's see where it is. It's right, okay, it's right here. Alright, so I'm gonna see if I can take my drill battery and I'm gonna there she goes up. The battery is a little low, so it's running slow, obviously, but alright, now let's see if I can reverse this. Alright, so that seems to be working great. Now I need to wire this up. I'm going to stop this for now. I'm going to wire this up through this column, take it down. I'm going to put a switch right about here somewhere for up and down, toggle, and then the power supply would come off of one of the legs here. So that's a plan, and then we can call this done, and then of course I'll build a frame for the desk. I'll have some extra steel here, so I'll make a frame and then get that installed on top of this plate here, and then take some of my lying around wood, get that plane down with my planer and get that installed, and I think we should be done with the project. Alright, thanks for watching.